当你的双排搭子选出了火男后，小头一说就是导弹。
Flashing. Flashing.
I got you guys.
Falling.
Guys, I've been stunned and flashed off.
Falling.
This guy.
Go, team, lock in.
I don't need it. Let me get my ace.
Wait, guys, wait, just wait. Oh my.
You like that smoke? You like that smoke, people? Safe my king right there. Oh, dude, this hurts.
Wait, don't get off, don't die. Wait, how did she die?
Yo, why you gonna hurt a Vietnamese brother like that, bro?
Holy shit, a Vietnamese brother?
In.
Jump out, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go! I'm flashing again. Go, flash. Ah! Oh, he's there, man.
Hugo, I think you need to run it down him. I think we need to do what we were doing on split. And I'll be right there with you.
One.
Oh, could have been so good. Not only are you flashing me every round, my Yoru's now flashing me.
I feel like you're just projecting the net.
Told you, we just fucking run these dogs down.
Wait. What the fuck? Why can't I flash? That fuck?
It's okay. Watch out, trips.
What the fuck?
We're both trips.
Wait, I can't flash.
One behind.
Oh my god, why did my print fire that shit? Wait, why does my... Wait, what?
Close lobby, it's too long, it's too long.
Holy
whippage!
Holy whippage! Holy fuck! Listen.
Putting on jet.